Hi viewers, today we are going to make restaurant-style delicious mutton biryani. At first deep fry 4 medium-sized onions. Soak 1 kilogram basmati rice. Marinate mutton by adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric. 3 tablespoons of chili powder. 2 tablespoons of coriander powder. 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Whole spices. Fried onions. Mix them well. Add 2 tablespoons of salt. Add mint and coriander leaves. Squeeze half lemon. Add 4 green chilies. Add few drops of rosé water. Add few drops of Kewra water. Mix them well. Add 2 cups of curd. Add oil. Mix them all. Add some kasuri methi. In a bowl add half-length water and add whole spices and salt. Squeeze half lemon. Add green chilies and mint and coriander leaves. Add some oil and Kewra water. Rose water. Close the lid and let the water boil for 10 minutes. At the boiling stage add soaked rice. Add some boiling water to the marinated mutton. Let the rice cook 40% and add first layer to the marinated mutton. Let the rice cook 60% and add second layer to the marinated mutton. Add whole rice after cooking 75% to the marinated mutton. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee on the top. Add fried onions. Coriander and mint leaves on the top. Cover with foil and close the lid. Cook the biryani 10 minutes on high flame and 25 minutes on low flame. Biryani is ready to serve.
కొంత కారం ఎక్కువ అవుతుంది